Hey there, welcome to the world of Bitcoin. Whether you've heard about it from a friend, seen it on the news, or stumbled across it online, you're probably wondering, what exactly is Bitcoin? Well, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and break it down step by step. First things first, what is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a type of digital currency, also known as a cryptocurrency. Unlike traditional money like dollars or euros, Bitcoin is purely digital. There's no physical coin or bill. It exists only online. Think of it as internet money. So who created Bitcoin? Bitcoin was invented in 2008 by an unknown person or group of people using the name Satoshi Nakamoto. The idea was to create a decentralized currency, one that isn't controlled by any single entity, like a government or bank. But how does Bitcoin work? Bitcoin operates on a technology called blockchain. Imagine a massive digital ledger, like an Excel sheet, that's shared across countless computers around the world. Every time someone makes a transaction with Bitcoin, it's recorded on this ledger. This makes Bitcoin transactions transparent and secure. One of the coolest things about Bitcoin is that it's decentralized. This means no single person, company, or government runs it. Instead, Bitcoin is maintained by a network of computers all over the world known as miners. These miners use their computers to solve complex math problems that verify and record transactions. Now you might be wondering, how do I get Bitcoin? There are a few ways. You can buy Bitcoin on a cryptocurrency exchange like Coinbase or Binance. You can receive it as payment for goods or services, or you can mine it, though mining requires a lot of computing power and energy. What can you do with Bitcoin? Well, you can use it to buy products and services just like regular money. More and more businesses are accepting Bitcoin as payment. You can also trade Bitcoin much like stocks, hoping to buy low and sell high. One thing to keep in mind is that Bitcoin's value can be very volatile. Its price can rise or fall dramatically in a short period of time. So, if you're thinking about investing in Bitcoin, be prepared for some ups and downs. Why do people love Bitcoin? Many see it as the future of money. It's borderless, meaning you can send it to anyone, anywhere in the world without needing a bank. It's also censorship resistant, meaning no one can block your transactions. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Bitcoin has its challenges. It's still relatively new and not yet widely understood or accepted. There are also concerns about its environmental impact due to the energy required for mining. So there you have it. A quick overview of what Bitcoin is and how it works. It's a fascinating and revolutionary technology that's changing the way we think about money. If you're curious to learn more, there are tons of resources out there, from books to online courses. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more crypto content. Stay curious and happy investing. Catch you in the next one.
You got me loose and set me free.